Hello and welcome to our lesson on pronunciation, specifically how to pronounce the ing sound. So if you don't know me, my name is Niamh McGarrell. I am the English coach at Inglese Vincente. Today's lesson is all about pronunciation, specifically, as we can see here, okay, the ing sound, this here, the ing sound at the end of words, okay? So today we are going to look at two things. First, what not to do. What not to do. Do not overpronounce the G, okay? Do not overpronounce the G, like ing, okay? What you want to do, let's change to green. What you want to do is keep the sound soft. What do I mean? Well, let's look at some examples so we can better understand. For example, this is mainly with the continuous tense or continuous tenses, okay? For example, this one, swimming. The G is very soft. Swimming, swimming, swimming. It is not like this. Swimming with a strong G. No. Swimming. Okay? Another example. Walking. Walking. It's not a strong sound. It's really soft. Walking. Walking. Okay? So we have done, let's tick them off. Swimming. Okay? Walking. Another example. This one. Okay? Eating. Eating. You try, okay? Try now to pronounce. Swimming. Swimming. Walking. Eating. So when you have words with ing, like these here, this ing is not strong. The sound is soft. Swimming, walking, eating, cooking with water, drinking, sleeping, cooking, running. It's a soft sound. Do not overpronounce the G. This here, so you are sure, is wrong. Don't do this, okay? So this is a very brief explanation, of course. This is just a short video. I cannot explain properly, step by step, just in these short few minutes. But inside the master pack, you have the complete step-by-step pronunciation module, okay? In that module, Mattia and I will teach you exactly how to conquer pronunciation, how you can pronounce words, sounds, vocabulary in English, okay? Without feeling scared and without the fear of saying things wrong. So if you want to accelerate the process, you want to start to be able to pronounce properly in English, well, follow our step-by-step process. We are here to help you. You need to click the link in the description. Very easy. Click the link in the description to get access to the complete master pack. Okay? And I will see you in our next video tomorrow. So check your alerts tomorrow for another video. Bye bye.